All, welcome to India's top online platform for education, Unacademy. This is me, Abhishek Kumar. Today I am going to start a circle course of history. Before starting the course, I acknowledge you with the definition of history. What we are going to study in the subject history. It's a branch of social science which deals with the study of events occurred in the past which shaped the present world. That means ये सोशल साइंस का एक ब्रांच है जिसमें हम बीते हुए समय में हुए घटनाओं का अध्ययन करते हैं. Now, in the beginning of the course, you hear the course name Circle Course of History. Why this course is called Circle Course of History? Because we are going to study a step by step every aspects of history from the born of universe to today's world. Circle Course of History. Our entire history is of 1370 करोड़ ईयर. दैट मीन्स हमारा संपूर्ण इतिहास 1370 करोड़ सालों का है. फ्रॉम द बॉर्न ऑफ यूनिवर्स से लेकर टुडेज वर्ल्ड तक. इस कोर्स में हम बॉर्न ऑफ यूनिवर्स से लेकर हर एक एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री को समझेंगे. Let's see. Firstly, we study born of universe. In this, we study Big Bang theory. Then we study formation of stars, planets, sun, and earth and moon. Then we study life on earth. Then we study dinosaur age when start and ends. Then we study Stone Age. Then we study how civilization develops. Then we study ancient world. Then medieval world, and then finally modern world. For UPSC, this part is important, but for conceptual clarity, this part is also important. For better understanding and convenience, on the basis of availability of records, our entire history from the born of universe to today's world can be studied in 4 पार्ट. यानी 1370 करोड़ सालों का इतिहास को हम 4 पार्ट में पढ़ेंगे. फर्स्ट पार्ट है बिफोर प्री हिस्ट्री. इन दिस पार्ट we particularly discuss from the origin of universe to the time when hominids started using tools. Then in second part we discuss from the time hominids started using tools to the beginning of agriculture. This part is prehistory. Then in proto-history, third part, uncertain records availability till 6th century BC. Then in fourth part, conventional history. In this part, we particularly study from time of availability of certain and dated records. This is last part.